Hey, it looks like we have a sequence. All right, if we're going to do anything with a sequence, we got to figure out what kind of sequence we got. So we're going from 7 to 15, 15 to 23, and if we look at this, it looks like we're going up by a steady amount every time, and if you want to subtract those numbers, what you'll find is we're going up by 8 every time. We're just adding 8. So we just keep adding 8 in this sequence. So if we're adding, it is an arithmetic sequence. So we're going to use our arithmetic sequence formula, so you can look at that. I'll go ahead and write it at the top so you have it to look at. It's a sub n equals a sub 1 plus d, and then we have n minus 1 in parentheses. So now we just have to kind of fill this stuff in. So remember, a sub n, that's just our answer. We don't have to write anything for that. A sub 1, that's our first term. That's the 7. All right. Now d stands for difference, and difference is what are we adding to get from one term to the next. And in this case, we're adding 8. So that's going to be the difference right there. And then n minus 1. So n is just the number of term we're looking for. We're looking for the 200th term. So n is going to be 200. And then we have minus 1. So I would recommend, if you are putting this in a calculator, which you'll probably want to do, that you just put the whole thing in. Because if you try to do it step by step, you can get all kinds of order of operation issues popping up. But if you type this in correctly, just like it is, what you should get is 1,599. So if you continue this pattern until you have 200 numbers, the 200th number should be this right here, 1,599. So that's how you find the term of a sequence.